Hi dear audience, my name is Alexey. In this video we will analyze the third property of support and resistance levels, which reads as follows. After the breakout, the support sometimes turns into the resistance and the resistance into the support. This property is often called as reflecting. We will discuss the reasons of such market movements and take the examples. Traders who trade in the direction of the trend can be conventionally divided into two groups. The first group is traders who trade level breakouts, and the second one is those who trade rebounds after the end of the market correction. The first group is waiting for a breakout signal, for example the candle closing above the upper border of the resistance level. On the other hand, when opening a breakout position, they trade with pending orders using a buy-stop order. We examined these options in the previous videos. The second group of traders doesn't enter the market immediately during the breakout, but expects the correction formation waiting for the rebound signal. The reflecting property of the level is extremely important for these market participants, since they can look for entry point if the correction is completed around the last broken level. If this happens, the reflecting property of the levels is performed. The third property is performed not often, but when it happens, attractive market entry points are formed. Let's analyze a few examples. Euro-dollar, the daily time frame. The market was rising for a long time, the euro to dollar exchange rate grew, and another support level was formed. Let me remind you that the horizontal level is plotted along the bodies and shadows of the candles, at the point where the chart shows a price reversal. The lower border of the level is 1.0618, the upper border is 1.0681. What happens next? The price starts falling and the market is closed below the support level. In the bear candle from February the 13th, the fact of the support level breakout was recorded. In accordance with the first property of horizontal levels, the breakout direction indicates the direction of the trend and the further possible price movement. Now the trend turns into a bear one. After that, the market was falling during one more day, and then the correction started. Afterward, the bear candle is formed again, and the declining movement continues. Let's look in detail at what was happening in the market from the 16th to the 21st of February. The correction was completed around the support level, which was formed earlier. The price began to rise, and after the candle closing from February the 21st, a new resistance level appeared. The upper border of this level practically coincides with the border of the support level, that is 1.0680, and the lower border is 1.0671. The support turned into the resistance. Since the breakout to the implementation of the reflecting property of the levels, only 6 trading days passed. The resistance level was formed and the support level was no longer relevant. Let's take one more example. Currency chart for the New Zealand dollar to the US dollar, the daily time frame. A classic support level was formed that contained 2 bear and 2 bull candles in a row. The upper border was 0.7240, the lower border was 0.7219. After the market fluctuated for a while around the support. The second property of horizontal levels was performed, and the price couldn't overcome it for several days. Pretty long shadows of both bull and bear candles were formed. However, on October the 4th, the market was closed below the support level. It indicates that the trend direction has changed, and now the trend turns into a bear one. The first property of the levels is carried out. The market is declining for several weeks, after which the correction starts. When reaching the last broken support level, a new resistance level is formed during 2 days, that is on the 20th and the 21st of October. The price coming to the last broken level couldn't overcome it, and the market started moving down in the direction of the main trend. As a result, a rebound signal has been formed. This is due to a change in the balance between buyers and sellers. Traders think the level should work and the properties of the level should be carried out. At such points, some traders will search for the sell entry point, whereas the others will close the previously opened buy positions. As a result, the correction was completed and the support level, which was formed on September the 27th, turned into a resistance level. Summarizing above mentioned, the third property of the support and resistance levels is applied to determine the market rebound entry points at the time when the next market correction is completed around the last broken level. This property is not carried out as often as we'd like, but when this happens, an excellent signal in the direction of the main trend appears.